Welcome, nature lovers, to another adventure on our channel. Today, we're soaring high with one of the most magnificent birds of prey on the planet, the golden eagle. Get ready to be amazed as we uncover just what makes these majestic creatures so special. First off, let's talk about their size. Golden eagles are known for their impressive wingspan, stretching up to an incredible 7 feet. That's like the wingspan of a professional basketball player. With those massive wings, they can glide effortlessly through the air, reaching speeds of up to 150 miles per hour. Talk about fast flyers. Let's start with their prowess in the sky. Golden eagles aren't just birds, they're masters of the air. With wings designed for effortless gliding and keen eyes that can spot prey from miles away, they're the ultimate hunters of the skies. And get this, golden eagles have been revered by cultures around the world for centuries. From ancient myths to modern-day symbolism, these birds represent strength, freedom, and the untamed spirit of the wild. It's no wonder they've captured the hearts and imaginations of people everywhere. But wait, it's not just their physical prowess that makes the golden eagle special. It's their unwavering dedication to family and their role as stewards of the environment. There's more. Golden eagles are also devoted parents. They build massive nests high up in the mountains, using sticks, grass, and even wool to create a cozy home for their chicks. And get this, they mate for life, forming strong bonds with their partners and working together to raise their young where they are with tender care and fierce protection. So, why is the golden eagle so special? Well, with their impressive size, unmatched hunting abilities, and unwavering dedication to family, these majestic birds truly embody the beauty and power of the natural world. So, the next time you spot a golden eagle soaring through the sky, take a moment to appreciate just how incredible they really are. So, what do you say, fellow adventurers? Are you ready to dive deeper into the world of golden eagles? Hit that subscribe button and join us on our journey to uncover the wonders of nature, one wild creature at a time. Remember, folks, the world is full of mysteries waiting to be discovered. So stay wild, and we'll see you on the next adventure. Until then, stay curious.